Waking up to the morning routine can be tough. It's the first thing you do in the morning, and you have to quickly get up before you can start your day. When you wake up in the morning, you may find that there is a wide range of emotions that you are feeling. Some days you wake up with a spring in your step, while others you wake up with a frown on your face. Some days you wake up and you feel like you can conquer the world, while other days you wake up just feeling down. For whatever reason, there are days that we wake up and just aren't feeling the best. Today, we are going to be sharing with you the 7 things you should not do in the morning when you wake up from bed. Number 1. Don't hit the snooze button. Many of us have been programmed to hit the alarm snooze button in the morning, and it's easy to just stay in bed for 10 more minutes. However, this is a bad idea. The longer you leave it, the less likely you are to get out of bed. Getting out of bed is the most important part of your day. You have to get up, and it's not going to be easy. It's going to take time, but if you gradually work your way up to it, you will be more likely to get out of bed. Number 2. Checking social media. It is not uncommon for people to check social media on their phones before they get out of bed in the morning. It is important to know when you should avoid social media and when you should use it. Social media is a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but it is not always the best time to do so. If you find yourself checking social media first thing in the morning, try turning off your phone's ringer or going into airplane mode to stop any notifications. Number 3. Checking your email. It is important to be focused when you first wake up in the morning. This is the time when you should be able to begin your day without distractions. But what happens when you wake up and find that you've been checking your email, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter? If this is the case, you should try to avoid these activities until you're in a better frame of mind. Number 4. Don't watch TV. Do you wake up in the morning and reach for the TV remote? If so, this is bad. This is because it will make you feel drowsy and you will end up getting less sleep. You may want to reconsider your morning habits and be productive instead. Number 5. Don't use the computer. It is not a good idea to use your computer when you wake up in the morning. Your body is still adjusting to the time change, and you are likely going to feel sleepy and groggy. If you use your computer, it will be harder for your body to adjust to the time change. Using your computer when you wake up in the morning will keep your mind from focusing on what you need to do at that moment. Number 6. Don't eat a big breakfast. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when they wake up is that they eat a big breakfast. This is not a good idea because you will feel very heavy and bloated. This is not the time to have a big breakfast. Your body needs to be light and ready to go. If you have a big breakfast, you will be heavier and slower. You should not eat anything for at least an hour after you wake up. Number 7. Don't ignore your morning routines. There are many things you should not do in the morning when you wake up from bed. It is important to pay attention to your morning routine and not ignore it. This can lead to a lot of problems. For example, if you don't wake up in time to take your morning shower, you may end up getting a late start to the day. If you don't eat breakfast, you may end up feeling hungry later on in the day and not be able to concentrate. If you don't drink your morning coffee, you may be more irritable throughout the day. It is important to pay attention to your morning routine and not ignore it. We hope you enjoyed this video about the 7 things you should not do in the morning when you wake up from bed. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. And don't forget to share your opinions in the comments. See you in our next video.